All right, thank you, Pete. The Target 12 investigators are tracking the citations from a law that went on the books and on the road just before the summer started. In case you missed it, you're now required to drive without your hands on your phone.
And we found out police across the state are writing plenty of citations for the new hands-free law. Target 12 investigator Walt Buteau with the details.
Since the law went into effect on June 1st, an average of just under 140 citations a week have been handed out in Rhode Island. It did not take long to spot drivers who are not obeying the hands-free law. We watched from a relatively busy intersection and saw several with one hand on the wheel and the other on their phones. Pawtucket restaurant owner Daryl Douglas, on a scooter today, admits using his phone when he drives is a hard habit to break.
I see all the accidents and stuff like that. I don't want to die over a text.
The law was passed after a healthy debate to convince drivers to drop the habit through enforcement. So far, since June 1st, statewide stats compiled through the Rhode Island Traffic Tribunal indicate there have been 960 citations across the state. 235 of those were paid for a total of just under $33,000 in fines and court costs collected by the tribunal. There are 518 open cases, which are mostly pending for initial appearances, with a handful of hearings due to not guilty pleas. A number of drivers we talked with admitted off camera they are not following the law, but several tell us they bought the equipment to be hands-free and shifted gears with their phone use, even though they're balancing busy schedules at work and as parents.
Plans are shifting, where I'm picking up the kids, where I'm going. It's hard to adjust and always remember that it has to be hands-free.
I mean, it's super dangerous, so I would hope that the text or that Facebook post can wait a couple of seconds before, before you try to check it while you're driving it.
If you're wondering how long it might take for drivers here to adjust to the law, Jennifer Cathell works in Rhode Island but lives in Connecticut, where it's been hands-free for more than a decade. She sees apparent violators in both states.
But you see adults doing the same thing and not paying attention and swerving into other lanes, and it's scary.
One more stat for you. 81 Rhode Island citations were dismissed under the good driving statute, with just over $5,000 collected in court costs for those cases. There are now 15 states with hands-free laws. With the Target 12 investigators, Walt Buteau, Eyewitness News.